talk about Charlie Charlie. But before continuing the story, can you please follow my TikTok account first and like this video? Thank you. So basically, Charlie Charlie is a paranormal game, fun to play with your friend, and Charlie Charlie was created in 2015. And if you're asking or you don't know how to play Charlie Charlie, I will give you some tips. Get a paper and write to the paper yes or no. You should write there using your two pencil. You should have at least two pencil, and you should write there two yes and two no. And if you have your two pencil, put the pencil in the middle of the paper and make the both pencil into cross. And after that, you should asking question. For example, Charlie Charlie, are you here? And other question too. So after you do the tips, you should have a friend to play with you too. You should not playing that alone. And if the pencil already move by its own, it means you're already talking to a spirit, or you're already talking to Charlie Charlie. And if you want to stop the game, I'm not sure if you should break the pencil and burn the paper and burn the pencil too. I'm not sure if that's how you stop the spirit. So that's all what I know. Stay